Hello home baker, how's it going? Today we are going to make almost no-knead milk bread that is so fluffy, so tender and super tasty. This bread doesn't require stand mixer or knead for a long time. We will use simple stretch and fold technique. Let's get started. Here we have 600 gram bread flour, 1 pint of whole milk, 3 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of honey, 10 grams of salt, 7 grams of yeast, 20 grams of sugar. I have a Danish dough whisk, optional, and spatular. To combine wet mixture in a big bowl, pour all of the milk, add sugar, salt, soaked butter, and honey. Honey helps with the moisture retention. Stir a few times and microwave for a minute or two. Temperature we are aiming for is 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 100. Add yeast and stir to make sure that everything is well mixed. Pour all of the flour, mix until combined. It will be quite thick and sticky. With spatula, scrape off the side to making sure that there's no dry bits or flour mixture. Cover and let it cook for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough looks slightly grown, and when you pull with a spatula, it will pull back and somewhat bouncy. This is a sign gluten is developing. With your wet hand, we'll do stretch and fold like 7 to 10 times while rotating the bowl. This technique builds the strength and structure of the dough. After the last fold, grab and tuck the dough like this and cover and let it rise for another 20 to 30 minutes. After another 20 minutes, dough gets significantly bigger and stronger. Again, with the wet hand, we'll do stretch and fold like 5 to 7 times. After the last fold, wet both hands, round up the dough, make sure the top is smooth and get everything tucked in to make a nice little ball. Cover and let it rise for another 30 minutes. The dough should be almost double in size. Transfer it to lightly floured working surface. Divide the dough into 6 pieces. Each piece should be 190 grams to 200 grams. Tuck in and round up each dough with both hands. Cover so they would not dry out. Let it rest for another 20 minutes. Remove the cover, sprinkle some flour in a working surface, roll each dough into long rectangular shape. Do not worry about deflating after proving for a few times. It needs to be deflated. Pop any bigger air bubble. Roll it while tucking each end. Press down the end. Make sure to pinch to seal and set it aside. Repeat the process with the rest of the dough ball. Make sure to roll tight and tuck in, so it would stay shaped. You can roll and shape with what works best for you. Business letter fold works great as well. Place 3 of the rolled dough in a bread pan of your choice. I have 1 pound bread pan with a lid, also 9 by 5 loaf pan. This gives longer and shorter loaves, and the other one will give much taller loaf. To make egg wash, crack 1 egg, whisk vigorously, strain it to make sure that there is no lump. If you like, add 1 tablespoon of water or milk. Alternatively, you can just brush with heavy cream as well. After 30 minutes of final resting in the pan with the lid on, they will rise up 80 to 90% of pan and smell yeasty and looking fluffy. Generously brush prepared egg wash. Bake it in the oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes to 30 minutes or until it's golden brown. Your bread fresh out of the oven, tap the pan to release the bread lumps. This is going to help your bread not to stuck. Get them out of the pan immediately so they would not dry out from the residual heat. If you want all sides to be golden brown, brush the pan with butter. I'm good with as it is. It is done. Now time to enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye.